Hello, Charlie from TrotBooks here, and in this video we're going to be discussing adding your horses, the heart of the operation. This is everything in your barn. You can filter up top once we have some horses, but for now let's add one. So we'll click Add Horse. Here's a pretty nice feature. So this name field here autofills from the USTA's records, pulls up any matches. So let's find ours and click it. And boom, you'll see sex, USTA registration, and full date are all filled in for you. No squinting at a registration paper. Those blue fields are the ones TrotBooks grabbed automatically. So then let's go back up top here. Status defaults to active, and this start date does matter. It's the date that the horse's status, expenses, and ownership all kick in. So if the horse actually came into your barn last week, we should probably backdate this so that the bookkeeping lines up with reality. Cool. So you'll also spot a group drop down here. Groups are an optional way to bundle horses that bill kind of the same way, but that'll be covered in the next video. So for now, we'll leave this on no group, and once we've built them, we'll come back to it. And look, we can see our recurring expense from the stable default that we set up in the previous video. That's already filled in with this date right here. Now we could add more. We could edit this, we could delete it, but since that stable default is set, we can see that we don't have to do anything if that's all we need. So that's pretty nice. Now we can look at the owners field. We can connect the owners by adding a row, picking the owner, and setting their percentage. So you have a partnership, we add another row. Maybe it's 40 for Deborah, 60 for George. And now you can never accidentally bill for more than 100 since we'll have owner warning and prevention of that. So let's take this back to 60. We could select the gate if we'd like, really just for our own record keeping. And finally, we'll add the horse. Cool. So if we click into this horse, you can see that we've got everything here. The ownership breakdown as this sort of line chart here, the day rate, expenses, race history, and a document section. So that's where you might upload the Coggins, health certs. TrotBooks even nudges you when a Coggins is getting close to expiring, so you're never caught scrambling the night before you ship. One pro move: when you change a day rate or a horse's status, TrotBooks might ask if you're fixing a typo or making a real change as of a certain date. So pick a as of a date for real changes. That way your invoices prorate them correctly and your history stays honest. It's little things that will keep your books clean without having to do any manual corrections. So repeat that for the rest of the horses in your stable. And a quick heads up, if you ever hit your plan's active horse limit, TrotBooks will just let you know and you can bump up a tier. So next we'll be bucketing these into groups, but yeah,